What if I told you, your dream home doesn't need to be big. It doesn't need marble floors or 10 bedrooms. Sometimes, all it takes is smart design, warm light, and a place that feels truly yours. This tiny home is more than walls and a roof. It's a statement of freedom, simplicity, and beauty in the smallest of spaces. So come in. Let me show you a home that redefines what luxury really means. As you approach the house, the first thing you'll notice is how it blends effortlessly with its surroundings. Large windows invite nature inside, creating a seamless connection between the home and its environment. The exterior is modern yet warm, a perfect balance of simplicity and sophistication. Whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or gazing at the sunset, this home provides the perfect backdrop for peace and inspiration. Step inside, and you'll be immediately struck by the open, airy living area. Designed to maximize every inch, this space proves that luxury can exist in the smallest of homes. The minimalist furniture, sleek design, and use of natural light create a sense of calm and comfort. The living area flows effortlessly into the kitchen and dining space, ensuring that each section of the home feels connected. And yet, every area has its own identity. The kitchen, though compact, is a chef's dream. With custom-built cabinets, energy-efficient appliances, and ample counter space, every cooking experience feels effortless. The dining area, right next to the kitchen, is perfect for intimate meals or family gatherings. Even in a tiny home, practicality doesn't compromise style. As we move into the bedroom, you'll notice how cleverly designed every corner is. The loft space above offers an additional sleeping area or cozy nook, making this tiny home incredibly versatile. The bedroom is an oasis of calm, designed for restful nights and peaceful mornings. With soft lighting, clean lines, and comfortable bedding, you'll truly feel at home here. This home isn't just about style, it's built for sustainability. Equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and eco-friendly insulation, it allows you to live completely off-grid, without sacrificing comfort. It's a perfect choice for those who value minimal environmental impact and self-sufficiency, while still enjoying a high quality of life. This tiny home challenges everything you thought you knew about space and luxury. It proves that living small can still offer all the comforts of a larger home, while allowing you the freedom to live more simply, sustainably, and beautifully. Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you love this design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning tiny home inspiration.